All right, everyone, welcome back to Bookcast. Ever feel like you're kind of shouting into the void when you're trying to sell something?
Oh, tell me about it.
You know, like you've poured your heart and soul into this amazing product or service, or even just an idea.
Yeah.
But people are looking at you like...
Like you're speaking a foreign language?
Exactly. Like you're speaking another language.
Happens all the time.
Well, today we are diving into a book that is all about turning those offers into heck yeah experiences.
I like it.
And that book is $100 Million Offers by Alex Hormozi.
This book is a game changer, honestly, for anyone who wants to, really master the art of making offers that are just irresistible.
Because let's be real, nobody wants to feel like they're pushing a boulder uphill every time they try to sell something,
It's exhausting.
Right? It's so exhausting.
Yeah.
So one of the things that Hormozi really emphasizes is this idea that a truly compelling offer goes beyond just listing the features and benefits.
Right.
It taps into something much deeper.
Way deeper.
It's the customer's deepest desires.
It's not about what your product is. It's about what it allows the customer to become.
I love that. It's about understanding the transformation they're seeking and positioning your offer as the key to unlocking that desired outcome.
Bingo. He calls this building your offer around a high-value product.
I love that term, high-value product.
Yeah.
So what makes a product high value in Hormozi's world?
Okay, so there are three key elements.
Three key elements. All right, lay them on me.
So first, it fulfills deep desires, not just surface level wants,
Okay, so let's break that down. Let's say someone says they want to learn a new language.
Okay, yeah.
The surface level want is to be able to speak the language.
Right.
But what's the deeper desire there?
Exactly. The deeper desire might be to connect with loved ones who speak that language.
Oh, I see.
Or to travel the world with confidence.
Yeah.
Or to unlock new career opportunities.
Yeah.
You see what I'm saying?
I'm totally seeing what you're saying.
A high value language course wouldn't just teach vocabulary and grammar. It would tap into those deeper desires, showcasing stories of people who have transformed their lives through language learning.
So it's about speaking to the heart of what motivates your customer, not just the practical aspects of what you're selling.
You got it. And the second element of a high-value product is that it minimizes effort for the customer.
Ooh. Minimizing effort. I like the sound of that already.
People are just inherently drawn to solutions that make their lives easier, less stressful, more efficient.
Okay, so it's about removing any friction points, any obstacles that might prevent the customer from achieving their desired outcome.
Exactly. I mean, think about it. Would you rather assemble a piece of furniture from scratch or have it delivered and set up for you?
Definitely option 2. I'm all about minimizing effort.
Me too.
So high-value products fulfill deep desires, minimize effort. What's that third element?
Okay, so the third element is all about providing quick wins.
Quick wins. Oh, I like that.
People are wired for instant gratification, even if their ultimate goal takes time and effort to achieve.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
We all love seeing those early signs of progress, those
Yeah.
little victories that kind of keep us motivated along the way.
Absolutely. Those little wins keep us going.
Exactly. So a high-value product is designed to, deliver those quick wins, those tangible results that reinforce the customer's belief that they're on the right track.
This is really making me rethink how I approach offer creation.
Yeah.
It's not just about the product itself, it's about the entire experience, the journey you're taking the customer on.
You nailed it. And Hormozi doesn't just leave you with these high-level concepts. He provides a practical 4-step process for designing a high-value product from scratch.
A 4-step process. Okay, I'm ready. Let's dive in. What's step 1?
Right. Step 1 is all about identifying your customer's deep desire.
Deep desire. Okay.
And remember, this goes beyond the surface level wants.
Right.
It's about understanding the underlying motivations that drive their decisions.
So we go back to the language learning example. It's about figuring out WHY someone truly wants to learn that language.
Exactly. What doors will it open for them? What transformation are they hoping to achieve?
It's got it.
Once you've identified that deep desire, you move on to step 2, which is all about brainstorming potential roadblocks.
Roadblocks. Okay.
Yeah, what's standing in the way of your customer achieving their desired outcome? What challenges might they encounter?
And by anticipating those roadblocks, we can start thinking about how our product can address those challenges and make the customer's journey smoother and more successful.
Exactly.
I can already see how this would be crucial for differentiating your offer from the competition.
Right.
It's about going beyond just offering the basic product and providing those extra layers of support and guidance that truly make a difference.
You nailed it. And that brings us to step 3, which is all about turning those roadblocks into solutions within your product.
Okay, so this is where we take those potential challenges and turn them into opportunities to provide even more value to our customers.
Exactly. For example, if you know that many of your customers struggle with staying motivated, you might incorporate accountability features, progress trackers, or like a supportive community into your product to help them stay on track.
Love it. It's about anticipating those pain points and proactively addressing them within your offer.
Precisely. And the final step, step 4, is all about adjusting the product over time for sustainability.
Sustainability, okay.
Yeah, this is where we get real about our own capacity, right?
But you can't pour from an empty cup.
Exactly. It's about finding that sweet spot where you're delivering incredible value to the customer,
right,
but also, safeguarding your own sanity and resources.
So it's a balancing act.
Yeah.
We want to create an offer that's comprehensive and effective,
for sure,
but also manageable for us to deliver over the long term.
You got it. It's about creating a system that works for both you and your customers, allowing you to scale your business without burning yourself out.
This is making me realize that crafting a high-value product is a journey, not a destination.
It is a journey.
It's about constantly learning, evolving, and optimizing your offer based on feedback and results.
Absolutely. And the beauty of this approach is that it sets you up for long-term success,
Oh, yeah.
When you create a product that truly solves your customers' problems and delivers on its promises, you build loyalty.
Yeah.
You generate referrals.
Yeah.
You create a sustainable business that thrives.
That's what we all want.
Right.
I'm already feeling inspired to go back and revisit my offers.
Do it.
But before we get too carried away, let's talk about the elephant in the room.
Oh, what's that?
Pricing.
Yes.
The topic that can make even the most seasoned entrepreneurs just break out in a cold sweat.
True.
But I have a feeling Hormozi has some insights that'll shift our perspective on this very crucial element.
But, Hormozi, he kind of flips the script on that fear.
Okay.
He encourages us to actually aim for the highest price in the market.
The highest price? Whoa.
Yeah, while justifying it with undeniable value.
Wait, hold on. The highest price? Isn't that kind of risky?
I know, it sounds counterintuitive.
Yeah.
But remember, all that work we put into crafting a high-value product?
Right.
That's what allows us to actually command a premium price.
Okay.
You're not just selling a commodity anymore. You're offering a unique solution to a deep-seated desire.
So it's not about being greedy. It's about confidently owning the value you bring to the table.
Exactly. And he gives us 3 key principles to make this work.
Okay, I'm ready. Hit me with those principles.
Okay, so principle number 1, having a truly unique product.
Unique product, all right.
If you're selling the same thing as everyone else, you're stuck in this race to the bottom on price.
Yeah, and nobody wins in a race to the bottom.
Nobody wins.
You just, end up undervaluing yourself.
Exactly.
It's like trying to sell plain white t-shirts when there are a million other vendors doing the exact same thing.
Right.
You're constantly undercutting each other.
Yeah.
And your profit margins vanish.
They just disappear.
But imagine you've designed those t-shirts with a unique, patented fabric that wicks away sweat, resists wrinkles, and makes you look amazing.
Now we're talking.
Suddenly, you're not competing on price anymore. You're offering something truly special.
Something special, yeah.
People are willing to pay more for that unique value proposition.
They are, and that's principle number 2, actually.
Ooh, okay. What's principle number 2?
The power of niche markets.
Niche markets, okay.
Instead of trying to please everyone, become the go-to expert for a specific group of people.
Okay, this makes sense. Instead of offering generic marketing services, I could specialize in helping eco-conscious fashion brands launch successful online campaigns.
Exactly. By narrowing your focus, you become the expert, right?
Right.
You speak their language, you understand their unique challenges, and you offer tailored solutions.
It's like finding that hidden gem of a restaurant that caters to your very specific dietary needs.
I love that analogy.
You're willing to pay a premium for that level of personalization and expertise.
You are. And that brings us to principle number 3, which is a bit of a mind bender.
Ooh, a mind bender. I like it.
Higher prices can actually increase customer commitment.
Wait, what? How does that work? I always thought lower prices were better for, attracting customers.
I know, right? But think about it this way. When you invest a significant amount in something, you're more likely to see it through.
That's true. You have skin in the game.
You're committed. Like, if I spend $5 on a course, I might dabble in it and forget about it.
Yeah.
But if I invest $500, I'm showing up to every session, I'm doing the work.
You're getting your money's worth.
Exactly. And that commitment often leads to better results for the customer.
Which then reinforces the value of the high-priced offer.
It's a beautiful cycle.
Okay, I'm starting to see pricing in a whole new light.
Mm-hmm.
There are always going to be those lingering doubts and questions.
Yeah, they can really stall the whole process.
They really can.
Totally.
But Hormozi, he doesn't shy away from this reality.
He doesn't.
He actually encourages us to embrace objections.
Embrace them.
As opportunities to build trust.
Okay.
And guide our customers towards a more confident decision.
So instead of viewing objections as roadblocks, we should see them as valuable feedback.
Exactly.
Okay.
Objections give us valuable insights into our customers' thoughts, fears, and hesitations.
I see.
They highlight areas where we can clarify our messaging, address concerns, and actually strengthen our offer.
So it's like those moments in a relationship where you have a, difficult conversation.
Ooh, I like that analogy.
Sometimes it's uncomfortable, but it can actually lead to deeper understanding and a stronger connection.
And a stronger connection, yeah.
Exactly.
And just like in a relationship, the key to handling objections effectively is to approach them with empathy.
Empathy, yeah.
And a genuine desire to understand the other person's perspective.
So instead of getting defensive or, dismissive when someone raises an objection, we should just pause, listen attentively, and acknowledge their concerns.
It's about saying, I hear you, I understand where you're coming from, and I want to address your concerns.
That simple act of validation can go a long way in building trust.
It really can.
And it creates a more open and receptive environment for the customer.
Absolutely.
Right.
And once you've acknowledged the objection, the next step is to provide a clear, concise, and persuasive response.
So if someone is hesitant about the price, we might highlight the value they'll receive.
Right, the return on investment they can expect. Or even offer flexible payment options.
Or if someone expresses skepticism about the results. We might share testimonials from satisfied customers.
Oh, that's good.
Case studies that demonstrate, the effectiveness of our offer.
Right.
Or even offer a guarantee that removes the risk for the customer.
I'm starting to see how handling objections effectively is all about turning those moments of hesitation into opportunities. To reinforce the value of our offer.
Yeah, and to build a stronger case for why our customer should say, yes, you're getting it.
And the beauty of this approach is that it not only increases your chances of, closing the deal, but it also strengthens the relationship you're building with your customer.
Because when you take the time to address their concerns and provide genuine solutions, you're demonstrating that you care about their success.
Right.
And that you're invested in helping them achieve their desired outcome.
That's what it's all about.
That's what it's all about.
And that's the foundation of any successful business.
It is.
Building strong, trusting relationships with your customers.
Could not agree more.
Well, this deep dive into $100 million offers has been an incredible journey.
It really has.
We've covered so much ground.
So much.
From crafting high-value products to mastering the psychology of pricing and persuasion to handling objections with grace and confidence.
You got it.
If you're ready to take your offer creation skills to the next level, we highly recommend checking out Alex Hormozi's book.
It's a great book.
It is a great book.
Packed with tons of insights and examples and advice.
And as always, we'd love to hear from you.
Yeah, let us know in the comments what resonated most with you from this deep dive.
Or what challenges you might be facing in your own offer creation process.
Share your thoughts.
Until next time, happy offering.
Happy offering.
And remember, the power to create irresistible offers lies within you.